Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that caught our eye, the YUANHANG Large Sewing Kit with 251 premium supplies. We found this great kit online and have included a link in the description below, so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this sewing kit actually is. The YUANHANG Large Sewing Kit is a comprehensive collection of essential sewing supplies designed for both beginners and experienced sewing enthusiasts. With a whopping 251 pieces included, it's perfect for tackling a variety of sewing projects, from simple repairs to intricate crafts. One of the standout features of this kit is its recent upgrades. The sewing thread has been improved from 100 yards to 150 yards, ensuring you have plenty of thread for any job. The number of spools has also been increased from 36 to 45, giving you a wider range of colors and materials to choose from. Additionally, the kit now includes 55 spare buttons, 3 sizes of safety pins, and even 12 self-threading needles, which are a game-changer for anyone who struggles with traditional threading methods. The kit comes equipped with high-quality tools as well, including a pair of stainless steel scissors and upgraded 7.1-inch red scissors, making it easier than ever to cut through fabric with precision. You'll also find a complete set of sewing accessories, including embroidery threads, sewing clips, plastic bobbins, and even a magnifier for those intricate tasks. It's truly a one-stop solution for all your sewing needs. Who is this kit suitable for? Well, it's perfect for a wide range of users. Whether you're a beginner just starting your sewing journey, a seasoned tailor needing a reliable set of supplies, or someone looking to repair clothing or create DIY crafts, this kit has you covered. It also makes an excellent gift for grandmothers, mothers, daughters, or anyone who enjoys sewing, making it a thoughtful choice for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. In terms of practical use cases, the YUANHANG Large Sewing Kit is versatile enough for various situations. You could use it for basic clothing repairs at home, whether it's mending a torn seam or replacing a lost button. It's also great for students in college who need to do quick fixes on the go, or for military personnel requiring emergency repair supplies. Additionally, this kit is ideal for kids who want to dive into the world of crafting with felt and fabric. Storage and portability are also key features of this sewing kit. Made from durable 600D Oxford cloth, it's designed to be scratch-resistant and wear-resistant, surpassing traditional leather in terms of durability. The clever elastic band design keeps all 251 pieces organized, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. Whether you're traveling or simply looking to keep your sewing supplies tidy at home, this compact and portable kit is a must-have. In summary, the YUANHANG Large Sewing Kit is a premium collection of sewing supplies that caters to everyone from beginners to seasoned pros. With its extensive range of tools and upgraded features, it provides great value for anyone looking to delve into sewing or simply maintain their wardrobe.